packs on. Are we ready for our big adventure today?
Yes, Zippo, let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round and round. The wheels on the bus go. Hi, everyone! Hey, Zippo, good morning! Let's go play! One, two, three, four. Good morning, everyone! I'm so excited for class today! The wheels on the bus go round and round, 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 round and round. The wheels on the bus go.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Clap, clap, clap your hands, happy as can be. Clap along now, yes, sirree. One, two, three, 4, 5. We love to dance and sing all day. In this happy sunny place we play.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Hi, puppy. Are you coming with me?
See you later. Have a great day.